Mr. Ash Mufare on October 1st, 2024 has permanently retired 360.
Don't dismay, that is incredibly great news.
Positive news, because in order to go to the next phase, our CEO, Mr. Ash Mufare, you had to get 360 out of the way. Do you remember his saying, Mr. Mufare's saying, that we are going to be going to the next phase, and that he was talking to some of his staff to see if it's going to be days, or we're just going to wait until 2 months and then go into the next phase? Well, we have our answer. Those precious brothers, who manned the 360 spot for at least a couple of years, aren't going anywhere. Marty, Chris, and Red will be back, but they will be moving into a new home. A new home that opens when the OES platform opens.
Yes.
No more announcements made outside of the OES. No more announcements from our CEO, Mr. Ash Mufare, as it relates to whatever is going on the updates of Onpassive. Doesn't that feel like we're initiating the new phase of Onpassive? Yes, because when the OES platform opens, the complete change in Onpassive begins. How are we going to know when Mr. Mufare wants to say something, gives us an information? You have to have a vehicle, right? Yes, that vehicle, the incredible O-Connect, is going to be our medium to get that message. To those who will be invited into Onpassive through the OES system, who happens to be affiliates, with their own links. This opening of OES platform will have a format where Mr. Mufare will invite people on who he wants, and they could be a part of a panelist. The other guests who won't be on the panel will be in the audience. And they're going to be those who love Onpassive, those who believe Onpassive. Eventually, everyone who believes and are passionate, whether you are an affiliate, whether you are a customer. This starts the ball rolling. Now are we going to have to wait for days of possibly months before this all happens? No, were you listening to Mr. Mufare saying, we are days away from moving to that phase of Onpassive. All of us are super excited because now we would hear directly from the mouth and lips of Mr. Ash Mufare. No more YouTube or anything outside of the OES platform. I don't know about you. We are super excited. Onpassive is alive and striving. Stay tuned for more exciting things and times.